Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to Entertainment. In today's video, I'm gonna take you on tour of the East Legon Boundary Road runabout that they are doing. You know, the company that they are doing this runabout is the same company that they are working on the school junction to East Legon Hills Road and stuff. And Charlie, if in case you come and see the work they are doing, it's not small work. You know, they are really doing a great job. You know. And today I'm gonna take you on tour of this place for you guys to see the work that they are doing here. So the name of the company is called Oswa Company. So I'm gonna show you everything, and maybe next time I'll come again to show you the finished part of the project here. I'm gonna take you on tour on that particular road, and also the place from here to the Riverside. I'm gonna take you to that place for you guys to see it by yourself. It's been a long time I gave you an update of this particular project that they are doing, road that they are doing. So today I came here to do a video on it so that you guys are gonna see by yourself. So without wasting my time, let's get into the video. But if in case you are new here, please do me a favor to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video and share as well, and I will see you in the next video. So they started the road from here. They did the road from here, this particular place, to the place that they are doing the runabout. So this part all is their project. As you can see, you see the symbols there, the things that they use there. So I'm gonna show you. So you guys, you can see the road they did. The road construction by yourself, you see how they do it, you know, and the gutters, they covered all the gutters as well, you know, they cover all the gutters as well. The road is, you know, I don't even know what to say, but they did a great job. This company is really a Ghanaian company, you know, a Ghanaian constructor. He's the one doing this road. That's Oswa Company. The same people that they are working on the East Legon Hills to School Junction Road. The same people are the people that are here, and they are doing a fantastic job. You know, they are not joking. They are not joking. If you see the work, you'll be impressed. You know, the work is really great, Charlie. As I get here, you know, I was very, very happy to be here, you know, to see all these things going on, how they did everything, you know. The starting also, how they did the road is not gonna spoil this runabout here. It's not gonna spoil right now, because they did it well, Ankasa. They did the thing well. If in case maybe you haven't seen my previous videos on it, the starting of the project here, the videos you can check up on my channel. I have them on my channel. I did video about it. From that time, I think it's been a long time I did video. So today I try my possible best to come and do video to show you guys what is going on, you know, show you guys. So guys, let me know your comment. What do you think about this project? What do you think about this road as you are seeing now? What do you think about it? Is it good? And how do you see? Are you impressed by seeing this video, this particular project, which is the construction? Charlie, they did well. Yeah, I'm so much impressed. I'm gonna try to get somebody around that area in my next video and interview them about the project there for you guys to see it, you know. So this is the place. So nice. Every night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. So also one thing is that on my left hand side where the car just passed to, you can pass that place straight to Adringano there. You can pass that place to Adringano. That road connect to Adringano Road, main road, and you can pass the same place to American House, because when you cross to Adringano Road, you can pass Adringano Road to American House. And the top road, okay, so the road I'm talking about is where the car is coming from. The road that goes to Adringano there to cross the Adringano Road. That's the road, this road, you know. And the road, they are not even done with the construction. They are not done with what they are doing. But Charlie, if in case you come here, you'll be impressed. The road, the work they are doing, they are not joking. They are really doing it well. They are doing it from their heart. They are really doing it well. And I really appreciate the work that they are doing. I'm so proud to see that a Ghanaian company is doing this great job. So the top road, the one that goes to the place I'm showing the camera to, where the cars are coming from, though that particular road goes to under bridge, you can pass the same place to Accra, Shashi, and also you can pass that place to Spintex as well. And also the road at that place, they are doing it double lane, They are doing it double lane, so they divide the road, and they are working on the left side one. The right one is already there, so they are working on the left side one. I think when they are done with the left one, they are gonna come to the right one. I'm gonna take you on it some more for you guys to see, but later on I'll come and do another video on it for you guys to see it by yourself. I'm gonna show you everything, and if in case you want any place at all to be recorded, or you want me to do a video at a particular place, you can leave it in the comment section so that I will add it to my video list to do as well. I'm showing this place all. They did a thing very, very beautiful. They are still working on it. They are not done. They are working on it as I'm talking to you. They are still working on it, And I think when they finish and you come here, you'll be proud. You'll be proud of Ghana, East Legon in general. You'll be proud of East Legon. Here is really East Legon, The roads there, the roads are serious. The roads are serious.
We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need.
Hello, bro. No, I thought so. You just put for your desk, your table in another end. There's a certain river on the road going to Adringano, the one that goes to join Adringano. There's a certain river. I don't really know whether it's a river or dam or something, because on the map it seems like it was dam. Yeah. So I'm gonna take you from here to that place for you guys to see everything there. I don't really know whether it's river or something, but it's so big at the other side. But since they try to block the water, because cars have been passing there, it's coming slow that place, and the water there is breeding a lot of mosquitoes. East Legon here, if you come here and the mosquito, you see East Legon mosquitoes, they are not easy. They are really big. That one they are big around this particular area. They are very big, and when they bite, even when you are wearing a shadow self, they can even bite you and you feel it within yourself. So the mosquitoes here, it's not easy. But because of that particular river, I don't really know whether it's a river or something, but it's really big. At the other end, I'm gonna show you guys in my next video. I'm gonna show you in my next video. But this one, I'm gonna show you the one that passed this particular place. So let's go. And the road here also, they are working on it. Still, they are working on it. These people are really doing a fantastic job. So guys, please, if in case you are watching, please do me a favor, subscribe, like the video, share as well, and comment to help me create more better videos. So the place I'm zooming is where the river I'm talking about is. As you can see the river there coming on, just pouring down. That's the river I'm talking about. I don't actually know whether it's a real river or something. That's the river, and this is the gutter they did here. Oswa company, they don't do anything fake. Their gutters, everything that they do is is they do it quality, they do it well. This company is really a great company. They work well. When you give them job, they do it well. They are the people who did the ANC Mall area road and stuff. They did it well. Ankasa did it well.